In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates with Canva for your photo booth business. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the right size. Place your photo areas, style your design, add branding without clutter, and export a crisp file your clients will love. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. Then choose Custom Size. Enter the exact dimensions you need. For classic photo strips, use 2 by 6 inches, which is 600 by 1800 pixels. For postcards, go with 4 by 6 inches. Pick the orientation that matches your layout: vertical for strips, horizontal for postcards. Before you move on, imagine a small safe margin around the edges. Keeping text and logos at least 1/8 of an inch from the sides helps avoid awkward trims. Next, add photo placeholders using simple shapes. Grab squares or rectangles from the Elements tab and draw them where photos will appear. For a strip, place 3 or 4 rectangles stacked evenly to represent the sequence. Keep their sizes consistent and use Canva's position tools and tidy up to align and space them evenly. Leave a thin gap between shapes so each photo feels distinct, and keep them away from the edges for that safe zone we mentioned. Now design the template around those placeholders. Add a background color or a subtle pattern that supports the event's theme without overpowering the images. Search Canva's elements for tasteful graphics. Think clean lines, minimal icons, or soft textures that won't compete with faces. Add custom text for names, dates, or a short event title. Choose fonts that are legible at small sizes, aim for strong contrast, and avoid placing text where photos will cover it. If you like the layout, lock your background or decorative elements so you don't accidentally move them while refining details. Incorporate your branding thoughtfully. Bring in your company logo and, if you like, a small web address or handle. Keep it subtle and out of the photo area's corners, or a slim footer work well. Reduce the logo's size or adjust its transparency slightly if it's competing with the event text. The goal is visibility without distraction. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Download and choose PNG for crisp graphics or JPG if you prefer a smaller file size. Turn off heavy compression for better quality and consider naming the file with the size and theme so it's easy to find later. That's it. Thanks for watching.